Hello guys, good morning. Good morning dito sa Denmark. Yeah. I don't know what time is it in Philippines, but you know what? Every day I cannot sleep here in Denmark. Since 2002 that I came here in Denmark until that I get married to that person, to Mons. You know what happened to my life is my God, my life have a miserable life. I cannot choose to go to school with peace of mind. I cannot concentrate to think what kind of best plan that I need to do because they always ruin my life. Panawagan ko nga pala sa lahat ng mga Pilipinong nakikisawsaw sa mga usaping ito. Sa totoo lang, mula umpisa, maraming nakikialam ng buhay ko. Maraming nakikialam, maraming naninira, maraming nambubuli sa akin in public. Sa totoo lang, binubuli ako sa Denmark, plus poison, plus medisina, binigyan ako ng pangpabaliw. Yeah. Gusto nila ay uuwi ako or magi-stay ako dito sa country ito with unconscious brain. This is an announcement. I want that international. Yeah, international. I will speak English because they can make it something different later. You know what? This is a nice announcement that they said that I make mistake, that I embarrass Denmark. And they want to kill me because I make crime here in Denmark. It's not easy to them to accept that I embarrass their country. Well, guys, this is announcement to international. I want that they will use a journalists from different country. Yes, I want that if they want to kill me, they will follow me to Pandan with Lightes. Yes, Lightes. I want that Denmark will tell the truth. Yeah, because honest is until now they didn't stop to destroy me. Wherever I go, they always following and embarrass me in public. They harass me all the time, and it's never be stopped. Yeah. Now I have a plan to go back to my own country without my daughter because they always holding my daughter away from me so they can send me to the mental hospital. This is what I want. This is my wish, guys. I want that everybody know what's happening in my life here in Denmark. And if they want to kill me because they said that they have a contact in different countries so they can kill me, yeah, using different person. Well, guys, this is the best reality happen that I want it's happen, yeah. I want that they can make interview, yes, me and a person that they involved to crime, yes. Lightes. I want Lightes, yeah. So all people destroying my life, they will stop because they always following. I know, Denmark, that you are very what do you call that? Powerful kind of people here because this is your country. But you know what? Before I came here in Denmark, I'm not crazy. Yeah. Filipino never go abroad if you have a problems in mind. Yeah, if you're crazy, you cannot go because there's a scanning. There's a what do you call that? The biopsy. They need to check your body. Yeah, all of your body. Yes, before you go abroad. Well, Denmark decide you didn't respect me. Yeah. And you didn't stop. Even that, I've been there yesterday in NATO. You know what you're doing? You cheat, yeah. There's a queue park there. Yeah. Parking area, but you need to pay. I made mistake, yes. I sit in 1 o'clock instead of 11 o'clock, yes. And you have a business. You always give us a bill since in the OHOS until now, yeah. Mons, Gat, and mine have a payment, yes. Instead of budget to our food, it's go to parking bill, yeah. You know what you done in yesterday? I try my best to catch the person who write or give a ticket, yeah. That payment is not small. It's cost 800 more than crowns. Yes. Times 7 in Philippines. Anis is 800 is our budget for 2 weeks already. But it's got it because of people here. You know, I asking who wrote a ticket, who give us a ticket. When I ask one of the person, big person, I know he is the one. And then he need to pretend that he is busy talking someone. And then he said that, you know, not me, it's there. Yeah, he go that way. Yeah. Honest Denmark, you are liar. People in this country is very, very liar. And I want that everybody can discover what is real. Yeah. In this way, Denmark, yeah, besides you always following me and then rent a lot of people, even black magic, you rent how to kill Rohelia. I think it's a good idea, Denmark, that you will follow me in Pandan. Bring Prime Minister, Princess, yeah, that involved for this kind of talk. I'm sorry, but honestly, I'm so tired. Since 2002 until now, my life is, I continue my life with scared. Scared, always feel nervous, yes. Now I want to end this talk because I'm so tired that you always continuing, yes. And I think it's a good idea, Denmark, that you will follow me in Pandan with your lie journalist, because you're a liar, yeah? And you're very, very mad how to kill Rohelia. I want that all of your journalists and all of Filipino and international journalists is there, yeah? And I want a right, what do you call that? You need to use English. No use Danish. Don't use Danish to ruin my life. Yes. I want the reality report, Denmark. Well, Denmark, if you think that you're strong enough that you can kill me, yeah, Denmark. Well, I dare you, Denmark. Well, follow to Pandan. Yes, with Lightes, yeah. All of the, government is there. Besides, you said that, oh yeah, it's okay because we can control Rohelia, making her scared or all the time. And we hold government in Philippines, so we have a good contact that we can talk like this. You know what? You make me tired talking like this every day. How many years since 2002 until now? You know what? It's a good idea if you want to kill me, Denmark. Go to Pandan, Denmark. Go to Pandan. Yeah. All of you, Denmark, involved to kill me. Yeah. Especially Elsa's pamilya. How they destroyed my dignity. Denmark, follow me in Pandan. And this is a nice fight, Denmark. If you think that I embarrass your country, I will accept that you can kill me using death penalty. Yeah, death penalty, Denmark. If you think that I make you embarrassed and I have a mistake here, a crime or whatever, you can kill me in Pandan with Lightes. Yeah, with Lightes, Denmark, with the interview. And I want that international will watch us. Yeah. And Denmark, do you remember that you bullied me? You give me a medication, you give me a poison, you give me a crazy, you know what, you didn't success. Why, Denmark? Because I'm a healer. I try to help myself. You give me HIV even that I don't have any contact to different person. I have a past, Denmark. Yes, I have a past. Maybe 5 person, yes. But some of that is mistake in my life. Mistake that I never dream to have a contact of idiot people. Now, Denmark, if you always involve my name to different men, right? Why you didn't invite them with Lightes? Because honest is, I involved to that person because of the Filipina. Yeah. I met Mons because of Filipina. I got their telephone number because of Filipina. And I cannot understand if I meet a nice person, handsome person, everybody will following and destroyed me. Well, Denmark, this is a nice challenge that you need to accept. Why? You embarrass me, you bullying me. Well, I think you have right to kill me in Pandan because I came from Santa Cruz, Pandan, Antique. And Pandan is always involved because you know what? I have a biggest relatives there. Yeah, all of them is welcome. If you are in the Denmark side, you're welcome to sit in Denmark side. If you are here, be sure that you didn't say lie. Yeah, because I'm the type of person that I can tell the truth. Yes, I can tell the truth. I'm willing to tell the truth. Yeah, I can accept if I say bad. Yes, but I'll never use dirty fingers in public, Denmark. You always following me to harass me. I heard that I've been in party. You embarrass me. You bullying me, and even my small daughter you call idiot. Yeah. Yes, Denmark, you ruin my life. Not only my life, but you ruin my daughter's life too. Yeah. She experienced bullying. She experienced to be abused here in Denmark. Now, Denmark, if you think that I'm going back to Philippines with scared because you have right to make me scared in airport. Denmark, if I'm going back dead in Philippines, you're gonna be suffered for life. Yes, Denmark. I want that they will catch one of you who killed me. Yeah. Because you always rent person to make me scared. You always rent person how to kill me. And this camera in my ears, Denmark, why I put cotton buds? Cottons, not cotton buds. Because cotton buds is for cleansing. Because I know that if I'm sitting inside my room or there, you can see my body naked. You know what? I don't have idea in the beginning. I don't have any idea. But you know what you're doing? You continue to make it for fun and earn money. Well, Denmark, if you think that I embarrass you, well, you're welcome to go in Pandan. Yeah, kill me in Pandan. Yeah, much better. That's a good idea. I want that, international can watch. Yeah, international with English words. No, don't use your language because you always ruin the story. You always make lie story. Yeah, all the time. By the way, Denmark, to all people all over the world, yes, they said that I need to announce my plight so they can catch you. Yeah, or you can catch me. I mean, yeah, you can catch me. Sorry, I cannot catch you. Yeah, you're not animals to catch, right? By the way, yeah, my flight from Aarhus Airport is February 15. Yes, and I'm there in Manila. February 16. Yes, and then connecting flight, no, I need to continue my flight in Calibo is that day, the same day, but I'm there 5 o'clock, yeah. It's late already, but yeah, it's like that. I need to wait instead that, I stay in Manila and then they always make me scared because, oh my God, you don't have, relatives. No one know you. No one can help you. By the way, yeah, if you want to kill me, yeah, you're welcome there. But in front of stage, okay? In front of so many people. Yeah. If you can do that with light test, yeah, I'm willing to die. Yeah, Denmark. I'm willing to die, but I want that all people and all of my relatives know what is the reality happen in my life. You know why? Because I'm so tired. I'm so tired listening to this, noise all the time. Yeah. If I'm guilty, you can kill me. But if I'm unguilty, well, accept the crime that you done. Okay? By the way, guys, thank you to watch my video. Welcome to send comments. Yeah. And to Sir Rapi Tolpo, I think that this is good idea that they can help me. Yeah, please at sa Pau, yeah, Attorney Pau, kasi dito I cannot ask help. Honestly, I cannot ask help. And if I'm talking about my pension, they have a problem. So especially all of my bad neighbors there. Yeah. And I want that they will invite all of them. Yes. By the way, guys, thank you for watching. And please share the videos. I want that you can share to Sir Rapi Tolpo and what do you call that? Doktora Ramona and Pau, Attorney Acosta, yeah. At sa mga matitinong tao sa Pilipinas. By the way, thank you so much and God bless you all. Sana guys, seryosohin nyo ang aking panawagan dahil yun ang aking kahilingan. Ayun talaga guys ang kahilingan ko. Kasi kung guilty ako guys, guilty ako o I'm guilty, I need to do this to stop, yeah. Because I'm so tired, yeah. Yun lang guys, thank you, bye. Have a nice day.